Hey everyone, this is Frugal Panda here with a quick review of the Tronsmart Bang Max. This is a portable Bluetooth speaker. It's 130 watts. It came rather quickly from Amazon. It was well packaged. By the time this video has come out, I have had this for probably around a month. It came very quickly from Amazon, by the way. Yeah, right away I could tell it was kind of heavy, so it tells me it's a good quality one. If you get a speaker this size and it's super lightweight, it's probably not very good, to be honest with you. Definitely won't have the battery capacity. This one claims to have a 24-hour playtime at medium capacity, and you can save, of course, energy when you turn the lights off because it has pretty cool light show it can do. So, and it's also IPX6 waterproof, which is really cool. Now, as I said, I've had this for probably a month. I do not do reviews until I've been able to fully test a product. So I'm not going to get a product and throw out a review the very next week, unless it's like some gloves or something like that. So, you know, gloves and things like that. But something like this is really expensive and should be pretty good quality. It's been fully tested by the time this actual video has came out. So as I said, it came rather quickly. It feels really good, really solid. Speakers on both sides, big subwoofers, which are really cool. There's all the little inputs that you can actually do on it. It also has, in regards to those inputs, so what you'll see is it has auxiliary, so you can do an auxiliary mode. It has a TF card and a U disc, so you can play. There are different options. You can do the old school where you actually plug in to your phone or to your tablet, or you can do Bluetooth. It also comes with an app. The app is actually really cool too. The app allows you to change like the colors and all that good stuff. Also, if I didn't mention, the battery in it is 18,000 mAhs, so it's a fairly large battery that's built into it, and it only takes 4 to 5 hours to be fully recharged, which is pretty cool. Also, it comes with a 12-month quality warranty and 24 hours of customer service. When I go inside, I'm actually going to test it, so I'm going to stop talking. You can actually listen to me play a video of it. Here's a comparison of the Tronsmart Bang Max with the Tronsmart Nemo, which is their tiny one. There you can get a look at the different colors, and you can see the size comparison with the Nemo speaker, the smaller one. This looks really good. It felt like really good quality, to be honest with you. So I really did like that about that. So you get the little app card that comes with it. You take a picture of it, or excuse me, you hover over it. Then you can download the app from either your iOS or from your Android store. It's pretty painless to download it. It's Bluetooth. You go through, you select what you have, make sure your Bluetooth's on. Of course, I have the Tronsmart Bang Max. And then you wait. It's going to search for it, just like this. So right now it's searching. Bluetooth is enabled. It's going to find it. And then you just get set up, and also shows what your charge is on it. So it was at 70% when I was filming this video. So you do that, you get everything set up. You can mess with the colors, you can change the equalizers and everything from your phone, which is really cool, or tablet. You can do it on a tablet too. So you go through all that. There's your EQ. You have all these different settings that you can do on here, as well as you can also go through the selection on the actual Bluetooth speaker as well. There you can see the different things, the TF card, auxiliary, the U disc, things like that. So you got all that, which is really cool. There's the different modes for your actual colors of your speakers that you can change it to, which is pretty neat too. So the different LED modes. Let's listen real quick. Also set a timer on it, which is really cool. I really did like it. So anyway, getting back to it, it's a USB Type-C connector, if I didn't mention that already. At this point, I'm also testing the Kimimoto heated gloves. Those are what I'm putting on, and you can see how I magnetize, so you can pull it back your thumbs and one of your fingers too, your trigger finger. So this is a real world test right here. I'm outside. This is Colorado. Let's knock the snow off my car. One thing I really noticed about the gloves and the vest, they work great in combination. I wish I had the jacket, or that this worked excellent. I liked it. It kept my torso really warm, my back. If you have back problems,
Sometimes I get back problems or achy backs. One of the good things about this, especially in the winter, these type of heated vests, is I can heat up my back, heat it up and get a little warmth on it and all.
And so the speakers, and as you can see, are here. They sound really great. I actually tested this for a fully month. I used all types of music with it. Sounds great. You can actually pair 2 speakers together and have even better sound on it. So it's pretty cool that you can actually use 2 different speakers of the Tronsmart and link them up. It's 130 watts. Bluetooth 5.3, I believe, is also really cool. The product weight, it weighs about a little over 13 pounds. So supports wired mics, supports guitar inputs, like I said, got light modes, loudness, which is really cool. Multi-speaker, TuneCon, and true wireless stereo. Apparently optional on it that works with it. Yeah, I think this is a really great one. Like I said, it's a built-in power bank too. So with the built-in power bank, you can actually charge your phone or something on this too, which I think is really awesome, to be honest with you. So in conclusion, would I recommend the Tronsmart Bang Max? I definitely would. I think this is a very good quality Bluetooth speaker. This is the best Bluetooth speaker I have ever had, and it works really well. I can't wait to take it on camping trips with me. It works very well, and it's available on Amazon. Anyway, this is Frugal Panda. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a good day. Frugal Panda is out.